Hey again everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about all things security. I am your legendary host, John, the Ninja, Doe. In this segment, we'll explore the best practices for privacy settings on the Nextdoor app. Nextdoor is a popular neighborhood-based social platform, and it's essential to take steps to safeguard your personal information. Let's dive into the best practices for Nextdoor app settings. Before we begin, make sure you have the Nextdoor app installed on your smartphone. Now, let's discuss some crucial privacy settings to consider. First, let's focus on account visibility. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, select Settings. Under Account, you'll find the Privacy section. In the Privacy settings, you can control who can see your posts and access your profile. Consider adjusting all of your settings to Only My Connections if you want to limit the visibility of your posts and profile to only people you connect with. Next, let's talk about discoverability. In the same Privacy section, you'll find Discoverability. This setting controls who can search for you. If you prefer to restrict your neighborhood visibility, you can select Neighbors Only or Do Not Show Me in search results. This ensures that only certain people can search for you. Now, let's move on to direct messages. This controls who can send you a private message. It's important to control who can message you privately and connect with you as a neighbor. Consider adjusting your message settings to receive messages only from neighbors or friends. This can help prevent unsolicited messages from strangers. Towards the bottom you will see Contacts. Make sure everything else is disabled, and that little switch is gray and not green. It is always essential to be mindful of the information you share. Remember, regularly reviewing and updating your privacy settings is essential for maintaining your privacy on Nextdoor. It ensures that your preferences align with your current needs and expectations. Take a few minutes every couple of months to revisit the Privacy section and make any necessary adjustments. This way, you can stay in control of your personal information. That's a wrap on the best practices for privacy settings on the Nextdoor app. By following these guidelines, you can enjoy a safer and more secure experience on the platform while connecting with your neighbors. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips on digital privacy. Take care, and see you next time. Thanks for watching and stay safe.